This is the beginning of Shane's blind taste test. These are all the items he'll be tasting. See if you can guess what they are before he can. Here's Shane.
Howdy, folks.
Okay, pause. Here comes the first one. Gotta make a guess. Time's running out.
Kind of, I wouldn't say apple, but it's similar texture to
Pick
apple.
a choice. Come on, commit. 5, 4,
I don't even think we've
3,
got apple in there.
2. Is apple your guess?
Yeah.
Wrong. That was zucchini.
It's like cucumber.
Here's the next one. Let's see if you can tell. What's that? Huh? Okay, open wide. You look funny when you chew.
Avocado.
Wrong. That was hot dog.
What?
It was. Okay, here comes the next.
What about vegetables, babe?
They're everything. I said it could be anything. Okay, here's the next one. I don't know if you can tell what it is. Okay, open wide.
Onion.
Onion, that's correct. How you doing over there? How's an onion?
Raw.
Okay, this is gonna be the next one.
Okay.
And open wide.
Olive.
Black olives, well done. Did that help with the taste of onion?
Yeah, it did. Thanks.
Okay, there's the next one. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Open wide.
Cheese.
Cheese, easy. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Alright, here's the next one. Don't they all look the same on the camera? I don't know. Okay, open up.
Okay.
Make a decision. Go with your gut.
Cucumber.
Wrong. Potato.
Damn.
Alright, here's the next one. Open up.
Oh, carrot.
It's one way to get you to eat healthy shit. This video should be called
Well, I had this,
Susie Tricked Shane into Eating Vegetables.
I had this in the stew the other night. Raw carrot.
Yeah, sorry about that. Alright, this is gonna be the next one.
Well, I should be right the next week with my vegetable intake.
Okay, come on, swallow swallow the carrots. It's been like 45 minutes. Do you want us to spit it out?
It's like KFC. It's taking me forever.
Okay, just whatever. Put this on top of it.
How, mate?
Nobody's got. Seriously, that wasn't that many carrots.
It took a bit to get down. Okay. Next one
open
on our
up.
list.
Oh, sorry.
Interesting.
Oh,
Pepper.
yeah, bell pepper. Good job. Don't you mean capsicum?
Yeah, capsicum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What color?
Green.
I just said yellow bell pepper.
No, I thought you said just the old pepper.
Maybe I didn't say yellow.
Oh, I don't think
I
you
don't know.
mentioned
I
colour,
said it in
babe.
my head, I
know,
think.
my psychic ability.
I feel like I said it, but anyway. All right. All right, there's 2 more. Here it comes, the second to last. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Okay, open up. Throw Don't drink your drink. Well, I mean, you can do what you want, but I'm just saying. I feel like. Do you have the hiccups? Are you gagging?
I'm trying to cleanse my palate with a White Russian.
Okay, what do you think?
I don't know. It's a bit of a.
Gotta commit. And also have to pee. Time's a ticking.
A bit of a bland taste. There's not much to it.
Pick.
Uh,
Oh, I gotta pee so bad. Oh my gosh, it's not even funny anymore. Oh,
I don't know, babe. Let's say.
oh, you're killing me.
Sorry, it's bland.
Okay, so pick. Styrofoam? Is that your choice? Oh my gosh. It's not even funny. Ah! Ah!
Avocado.
Wrong. It was sweet. It was sweet potato.
Oh, it was another potato.
I know.
Damn.
All right. Here's the last one.
Okay.
Open up.
There's a fucking hair in there.
Well, that's pretty common. Sorry about that. Is it my hair or yours?
I don't know.
Depends on how long it is. That's how you can tell. Any guesses? You don't get this long. I feel like there should be some kind of like that's long enough. You know what I mean?
Is that avocado?
No, that was a mushroom.
Ah. Oh yeah, I can taste it now. So the hair threw me off though.
Okay, signing off.
Bye now.
You can take those off. You know the game's over, right?
I know, but I'm sort of getting used to it now.